Good paws. You must have gotten that from your father, not from your mother. How big are your ears? You got big ears too. You're a noisy little monkey.
That means it's pooping, I think.
Oh God. Oh, what's going on? This is a boy. Oh no, it's a girl. No, it's a girl. Wee, look at his folds. Look at these folds. What a fat little monkey. Here, can you pinch an inch? Pinch an inch? Better learn to do that. That's what your mother does all the time. Who's over like that?
She curls herself up into a little ball.
Who, monkey does?
Yeah, she sleeps with her legs stretched all together like pretzels. Like Buddy.
Oh, Buddy. I don't think she likes being petted.
I think she does.
Or do you think those are groans of happiness?
Mm-hmm. Scratch her. Get that rib there. Get that one rib where Buddy likes being scratched. Scratch under her chin. She likes that too.
I think she just wants to be left alone.
Yeah, she likes it all.
Come on, monkey. Let's have a look at you. Let's have a look at you. Got fur in your mouth. You got Mika fur in your mouth. Funny fur. You've got a short nose too. But yours is black. Black as Mrs. Spade she is. Never have I ever seen a nose that was blacker. That on little monkey. How she had a black little nosy. What a black little nosy. Had a big pink tongue. Had a big pink tongue.
Let's see that pink tongue again.
Let's have a look inside. Open your wee mouth. Let's have a look inside.
If you rub her cheeks, she'll yawn again.
Come on. Come on. Give us a yawn. Give us a yawn, you wee little critter. Come on. Give us a yawn. Come on. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, look at that. Oh, you got pink on the roof of your mouth. Does that mean you're going to be a hard one to train? Hmm? Oh, you got wee little baby breath. I got poop on me again.
There seems to be a theme with these videos.
What happens when you bring them to me after they've been feeding?
That one's been sleeping.
Have you been sleeping? Have we got a little sleepyhead here among us? Oh, look at the wee little critter. Look at the... Have a good sniffy. Have a good little sniff. Oh, another big yawn. Oh, she's got me. Oh, yes, she's got me wee little finger in her wee little mouth. Oh, she's not letting go. Oh, give me back me finger. Oh, you wee little leprechaun. Give me finger back. Oh.
Does your puppy smell, or your finger smell like puppy breath now?
Oh, it does. Want to smell it?
Yeah. I think, Bud. Yeah.
Oh, you got me. Oh, you clamped down on my wee little finger. Hello, buddy. Have you been coming for a wee sniff yourself? Huh? A wee little sniff of the wee little critter? Hmm? Well, I tell you, why don't you swing your butt around here? There you go. You sweet little Fanny. Someday in the not too distant future, you'll be too big to be laying there. Oh, buddy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You want that? It's yours.
Let's see some wee little puppy stretches.
Oh, you cut me again. Oh, you cut me again.